In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Google Bard with Google Sheets. Now, the first thing you want to do is come over to this website. It's workspace.google.com/solutions/AI. And take a moment to pause this video if you need to write that down. So in order to actually access this and use it for yourself, you will have to actually apply first. We're going to go ahead and click Try Duet AI. And then from here, in order to request a trial, you will have to fill out all of these details of the form. And then hopefully after that, you will be accepted and you'll be able to use it. But how did it actually integrate and how will it help us? So if we scroll down a bit here, it will actually show us an example of what it does. So if we play this video here, as you can see, it will add this Help Me Organise section on the side. And you can type in something like this: agenda for one-day exclusive briefing event with session descriptions and status. And then you simply ask the AI to create for you. So as you can see, the AI just created that whole table just from your piece of text. So this is going to be revolutionary in how people use Google Sheets. And it's going to really save a lot of time for tons of people. So that's exactly how you can use Google Bard with Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.